Another allegation by the Indian media is that Peace TV shows inflammatory speeches. Peace TV promotes disharmony and it disrupts the communal harmony of India. I would like to request the Indian media to show me one program anywhere which has been telecast on any of the Peace TV channels. We have got 4 satellite channels: English, Urdu, Bangla and Chinese. Any program or any portion of any program of Peace TV which is inflammatory, which promotes disharmony, or which encourages terrorism, or which breaks the communal harmony of the society. I challenge them. They will never be able to do it. That is the reason I request the Information and Broadcasting Ministry of India to point out one program of Peace TV which is against the society of India. I would like to know what is the reason that they did not give downlinking permission to Peace TV. The only reason that I can think of is because it's a Muslim channel. It's a channel that promotes peace. If that's not the reason, please tell me the reason. Don't just tell me it is confidential, MHA, security. What security? The world is seeing the channel. Is it only bad for India? Even UK, which is the strictest country in giving downlinking rights, it has given permission for Peace TV to be beamed. I would like to know what is the reason, and I'm waiting for the reply.